This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacey Hayden. Minimum of 24-hour show notice required. Pets must be removed from home. Weekend showing are easier to accommodate. Seller offering $5,000 in floor allowance at closing. Home offers a great floor plan, large fenced-in backyard with in-ground salt system pool. Spacious Owners Suite, walk-in closet, oversized tile shower plus 3 additional bedrooms. 2-car garage, detached shed, flex room downstairs currently being used as a dining room. Great location, centrally located. October 1, 2024. For more information, review the details below.